Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily enable satellite viewing in Google Maps application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments after watching the video. So let us get into this topic with you. Please open up the Google Maps app on your device. And as you can see, usually you can view the terrain in normal mode. I have it on a dark background. You may have it on a light background. And in order to switch to the satellite view, you'll need to tap this sign, folks, on the top right-hand side. It will take you to a menu like this and select satellite here. And as you can see, the image has changed dramatically. Now you see it's just like the satellite. As you can see, there are some individual buildings here now. You can see plants, you can see roads, and so on. That's the simple way, friends, you can quickly and easily enable satellite viewing in Google Maps. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.